Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cold DIY projector at home. So let's see how we can make this.
So to make this you will need 50 watt 12 volt cob LED and heatsink, 12 volts power supply for the LED, a 5-inch LCD panel, a control board for the LCD and a power supply for the LCD, two pieces of plastic frontal solar lens and LCD screen lens, 9 into 14 centimeter mirror and a body for the projector.
So after you got those items, you need to assemble them as you can see here. First you need to assemble the LED and the first lens at 11.5 centimeter distance. Then you need to assemble the second lens and the first lens at a 2 centimeter distance. After that you need to assemble the LCD screen at a 2 centimeter distance from the second lens. After you done that, you need to assemble the third lens from 13 centimeter distance from the LCD. Now you need to assemble the mirror at a 45-degree angle as you can see in here. So after you assemble them like that, you need to connect the ribbon cable, the buttons and the power supplies as you can see in here. Now you need to connect the projector to the computer from the HDMI cable or the VGA cable as you can see in here. After that, you can focus the projector from here as you wish. And now after you connect the projector to the computer and focus the image, you can see the image clearly on the screen as you can see in here.
So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos in the future.